Guys, welcome back. Konnichiwa. Herzlich willkommen. Yeah, guys, update here on Blackberry Limited, ticker BB, trading on the New York Stock Exchange. I released here a video, a so-called squeeze check video. I have a new video series here where I check also potential squeeze tickers which have high potential to squeeze. So you will find here at the end of this video, you will also find the video link about Blackberry squeeze check. And now I give you here also my chart analysis on Blackberry. Based on the chart, of course, everything what I say here is not financial advice. Yo, guys, there was a reason why I released the Blackberry squeeze check video, because we have here now a very squeezable situation, and it could be, guys, it could be something comparable to January 2021, where Blackberry squeezed here to $29 in the weekly chart. You can see here the price was $2.71 and we hit this price level here also again. And I, as I said, mentioned already here in my previous videos that we have here now also some squeeze trigger price levels, and that, yeah, we could see here something really big happen in the beginning of 2024, even not next week, guys. So where we have still December. So let's check now the chart here. I will enable the drawings and show what I mean by that. But first of all, we check here the weekly RSI, and we can see that we had now here for the first time, guys, the first time since 2021. That's why I say that, guys. For the first time, we have here a weekly RSI breakout. I never FOMO in. Yeah, this is not to hype you up. I just want to show you the market makers leave us always some signals in the chart where the price may go and that there will be a pump. And when we see what happened when we had the last time the same situation, that was here, guys, by the end of 2020, and as you all know, 2020 and 2021 we had a lot of short squeezes and of course also the meme stock squeezes, and Blackberry is same like AMC and Gamestop, a meme stock, a meme stock. So, and we can see the last time when we had this absolute overbought situation on the weekly RSI was here in November 2021, and that was the beginning here of the Blackberry short squeeze to $28. Yo, guys, and here we are. This is the situation which we have right now. There is a reason why I released those videos here before a stock squeezes, guys. Yeah, as I said, this is not my first Blackberry video. I made already here a couple of videos because it's not only my mission here to educate you in trading. So we will of course check here all the chart details for Blackberry. The main reason is also here to predict short squeezes. At least this is one of my missions. And I do that every week, guys. Yeah, it's nothing special for me when I see a stock squeezing 500% or more. I try to predict short squeezes here every week. And when you see this video here right now, I release here every Sunday my brand new hot stock videos. And when you see those hot stocks here, that means the tickers which I present here in my finest selection of short squeeze stocks. The tickers here, I expect them to squeeze in the very few next trading days. So this video is available on Sunday, and that means that these videos here, or this video contains tickers which could squeeze next week. There is never a guarantee, but you can also see here that my members make here a lot of profits. And yeah, I can also show you here very quick what happened in the past 2 weeks here. We had squeezes between 107 and 480% after my video release. And of course, in addition to those hot stocks, I release also my swing trade alert tickers on Patreon, guys. So the brand new video is available tomorrow. So if you want to see that video, guys, and also see my other content, you can of course join in here our trading community. The most popular membership which I have is the full package membership on Patreon. Every day new members joining in. We're growing here very fast, guys, and you can see all the benefits which you get when you join in here on Patreon. If you want, guys, yeah, the link is here in the info icon here. When you click the info icon, then you get access to the Patreon member link. Everybody is welcome. It doesn't matter if you're a completely beginner or already an advanced trader. So guys, let's go back to Blackberry. And yeah, why do I have to make an update? Because I said that already in my previous videos. We have here a make it or break it price level, and this make it or break it price level is $2.68. And you can see that when Blackberry traded below that here, that was just a dip. And now as soon as we had here a little bit of support, you can just see my previous videos. I never change my charts. Yeah, this is everything the same. And you can see as soon as we had this breakout attempt here in the beginning of December, now we start to squeeze here, and Blackberry already squeezed since then here in total. Sorry, let's check that here together. in total already here 100%. Yeah, that's why I say this is nothing special that happens here every week, guys. I also try to predict that every week, and a lot of stocks showing here the same technical signals, and Blackberry is now here on the way to see maybe a much bigger squeeze, and that's why I make this video. I want to check with you together here the potential price levels. So when we check now here the daily chart, then we know that we have here an open gap at $4.08. Blackberry is also a stock which closed the open gaps very, let's say, trustable, or at least the chance that we close these gaps is there. So the last squeeze which we had was this one here. That was also a squeeze here in total of 56%, and the purpose of this squeeze was to close this gap here at $3.54. So this candle here closed the open gap, and then we had a sell-off reaction, and now we can see that Blackberry is on the way to close the open gap in the daily chart at $4.08. Yeah. And the thing is, guys, so that could be the end. Yeah, that could be the end. That's why I never recommend to FOMO in. But as I said, technically we are here in a very good setup to see a much bigger squeeze. What would that mean? So we have here this kind of trend channel pattern. I will switch one more time to the weekly chart to give you here a better overview. Disable the indicators. Because, guys, we have this kind of trend line here, this white trend line here, which crosses here the chart, is supporting the price for Blackberry. And when Blackberry comes back with volume over this line here, over $5.10, yeah, based on the price today, that is of course an increasing line, guys, especially a price over $5.50, I would say over $5.50, guys, then we are here in the squeeze trigger zone and could see a much bigger squeeze for Blackberry, guys. Yeah, this is just what the chart is telling us. We have here some hidden signals. We know that Blackberry has at least the potential here to come back to $8.52, because we have one more open gap here. And that would mean if we don't see a rejection here at $4.08 and continue to pump and find support here, then we could easily see here a squeeze back to $8.50 or even higher, guys. Yes, please check the squeeze check video. There I explain also the squeeze trigger price levels here to the upside. The worst case scenario is, guys, that we close this gap or that we get rejected here at $5 and then we just will come down. We have here still some open business in the chart. We have an open gap at $2.61 and of course even lower gaps at $1.76 and $1.33. If Blackberry comes down here, yeah, if we see here a shakeout, some drama, guys, I will load the boat heavily on Blackberry. Yeah, this is not financial advice, but if we really see those prices here, I will load heavily. But keep that in mind, no matter how low the price goes, as long as they don't dilute the stock, yeah, we have here a very strong support at $2.68, and every price below $2.68 is, in my opinion, just a dip. Of course, when we see the overall price structure here, I switch one more time to the weekly chart, guys. We know that we have here, of course, we are far away here from $148. This was the absolute top peak here in 2008. So we can see that we don't get these price levels here again for now, but the chance that we go at least back here in the, also higher than $8 here in the $11 to $16 range, guys, is still there when we break out here out of this squeeze trend channel here. This is the only thing what Blackberry needs to do. But overall, we still in an uptrend. We had the same situation here, the shakeout here in 2020 below this supporting trend line here. The white trend line is supporting the price, and you can see we had just one shakeout and then a massive squeeze, guys, here. Massive squeeze for Blackberry, and we are here in the same situation right now. That's why I say the market is super bullish, and when we can continue to squeeze here over $5.50 in that range, guys, a massive squeeze for Blackberry is possible, not financial advice. Okay, guys, when you want to copy here the price levels from my chart, I show you that again. Price targets $4.08 and $5. Everything here between $5 and $5.50, guys, is something like a zone where the market makers will step in and try to bring the price down. If we get rejected here, then we will, in my opinion, retest again here this price range, and in best case $2.68, because we have one open gap also at $2.61. But if we can just continue to squeeze here with volume, then the price goals which I see is at least $8.52 and higher. But of course I will do an update for you again here on Blackberry on my channel, guys. Yeah, if you want to copy the price levels, this is here every pricing based on TradingView. This is the name of this program, what you see here. I use that program for all my videos and all my trades since many years, guys, and I can just recommend, if you want to learn trading or even maybe think about to become an independent trader, then of course you can join in here our Patreon to learn a lot of things about trading, a lot of details and information which I share there. And of course you can get this program for yourself to spot where the algos are waiting, where are the open gaps and things like that. I can offer you here a discount link for TradingView. When you click here the info icon in the corner, you save $15 with my discount link, and I always recommend the premium tier. This is good for beginners and advanced traders. So my friends, that was the update on Blackberry. I hope that video was helpful for you. If yes, and if you don't want to miss any updates, then please hit the like and subscribe button right now. I thank you so much for your time. I thank you for your support and see you in the next video. Arigatou gozaimasu. Vielen Dank, alles Gute. Vielen Dank für die Unterstützung und bis zum nächsten Video. Take care. Bye bye, guys.